Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. Oh, that feels like I'm hitting something. I gotta be careful. What are they? Oh, this is a cutting. Actually, it looks to be in pretty good shape still. I think I'm going to stick this into my aquaponic system. Yeah. Wow, that's pretty good. It's been in that bag for a week. I wasn't feeling good last week. Nice job. Oh boy, she sent me a bunch of stuff. Okay, Hijiki Saltwort. Another kind of spinach. Red and green Malabar. Okay. These are supposed to be heat tolerant. This is great. Wow, look at this. Almost look like peppercorns. Interesting. Well, let's put them in. Probably way overplanted. I believe these get to be a pretty good sized plant. We'll put a bunch of them in there. If I have to give a few away, that's fine. I'm going to keep a couple of these. Okay, so this is going to be a dual root zone pot. I made these last year out of Burger King cups. I need to add my separator. This keeps the soil from getting beyond the cup. I'm going to go ahead and add my soil. And I was sent some saltwort. I never had this before. I'm only going to plant, I don't know, probably like 4 or 5 seeds in here. There it is. Kind of spread it out. Pop it down in there a little bit. And then this is going to go into my aquaponic system. I guess you use this stuff in Asian cooking. Oh, I'll give it a try, see if I like it or not. If I like it, I'll give it some more space. If I don't, well, I thank you anyway. We'll drop this in the aquaponic system. All right, that's where it's going to go. As you can see, the water's pretty much, it's up. So all I'm going to do is take this. That'll automatically get watered with nutrient-rich water. And it should trigger a drain here any second. Okay, so that bucket is draining. Those buckets are. You can see way in the back there, that's what I just put in there. The water will drain into this, into the fish tank. And that's how it works. We'll give this saltwort a try. And I'm going to go ahead and take this Sissoo spinach. And I'm going to drop it into my indoor aquaponic system. See how it does. There we go. That is in the indoor aquaponics system. Let's see how that does.